You need to go in there though. I'll bang on the door when we're ready.
How did I not see that coming?
So this is Kylie's 300. It's in need of some love. Doesn't run very well. It did, but it randomly just started not running so well. Then it started dumping out oil out of the torque amplifier drain. It's more of an air drain than an actual drain, but in order to actually finish baling, I modified that container that actually screws up on there and catches the oil. And about halfway through baling, it actually started dumping out up here too. So that was an abort mission. It left a huge trail the whole way home, so I don't know how much oil is even left in it. But we're going to split the tractor. I'm going to build a stand we can roll the front half around on, and not entirely decided what we're going to do with the back half yet, but we do need to take the transmission all apart, the torque amplifier all apart. There's a banging in the rear, either in the rear end or the axle bearings, or both, or maybe the transmission. I don't know. Either way, we're going to take it apart, put all new bearings, all new seals in it. If we have time, we're going to give it a paint job. Got to find some new hood skins for it. We're going to make the belt pulley drive go away. We'll put a plate over it. Doesn't need to be there. We're never going to run a belt pulley off of it. Undecided if we're going to do anything with the engine. We'll likely put electronic ignition in the distributor. But other than that, some special individual butchered the heck out of the frame rails, so we'll probably acquire some good use frame rails for it. The radiator just got back from the radiator shop before we used it, and it's in good shape, so that should be alright. So yeah. Happy child. We're working on our tractor finally. So Kylie's taking the tins off and I'm unhooking the battery.
I don't know why I was expecting that to be so heavy. Or why I was expecting it to be heavy.
After fighting with it, it just falls off in her hand. She realizes that it was silly to fight with it when it would have just pulled right out. Now she's unhooking the wiring harness. She's taking the wire off the coil. Here I'm showing her how to unhook the steering column. Now she's unhooking the steering column. I took her brand new steering wheel off so it didn't get damaged. Going to support the front half while we're draining some gas out of it. I had a little mishap with the gas. You'll be able to see later if you pay attention. If you look at the floor, you can see our gas mishap. Kylie's unbolting the frame rails from the transmission. Essentially, they're bell housing bolts, basically. That's how they work. Now she's doing the same on the other side. I'm unbolting the hydraulic system.
Push back on the thing. Pull apart.
I don't think it wants to.
No.
Still there. Get in there.
Hold on, stuff right here.
Hasn't dawned on me yet that the tractor's still in gear.
Should just roll in the park now.
Pucker moment.
Yeah, I better go up a little.
Now you're secure.
Huh?
Now you're secure on the side.
Yeah, it's still a little sketchy. I think I'm gonna put the picker on the front of it.
I just added my cherry picker to the front of it with just a strap to try to stabilize it so it doesn't end up tipping over.
Push.
Here's where I realize it's still in gear.
Oh, it's a freaking gear. Dirt.
Weird, that works a lot better.
You gotta push harder. I'm pushing harder than you, that's why it's rolling crooked. Nothing about that looks good. Good enough.
Yeah, this one.
I'm gonna stick that back under there. Best you can anyway.
We took apart the 300. We took a bunch of wires off. We took a couple hoses off, and we took the gas tank off, and a bunch of other stuff.
And?
What do you mean, and? That's what.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in 2 pieces now. It's no longer one tractor. We got all the tin right here. And the gas that we kind of made go all over the floor, but we don't talk about it. Oh, jeez. What's wrong in there?
Show up inside the bell housing, it's a good portion of the reason why we're taking it apart, is because it's pee and oil all over the place.
Can't really see.
Thanks for watching. The next video will be up soon.